Hi, I'm Megan Cook from Garden to Table Permaculture. This is Jeddah the dog. He's going to help us put up this worm farm today. This is a Subpod worm farm and it's great for, instead of throwing your food scraps into the red bin, which creates methane, a harmful greenhouse gas, we're actually going to divert those beautiful nutrient-rich kitchen scraps straight into the worm farm. The worms will then turn that into nutrient-rich soil, and then we'll be able to grow our plants into that soil without having to put any extra fertiliser, because it's a closed loop system, which means that there's no need for extra or outside inputs like, fertilisers and things like that. So, as I said, we're diverting the waste, we're rebuilding the soil to add lots of nutrients, and then we can grow our plants and feeding the world by feeding our soil and ourselves. So there's more information, and you can purchase these on my website, which is www.garden2table.com.au. Have a great day, and you can watch our series of videos on putting this together. I'm actually renting at the moment, so it's a great option for people that have small spaces, or maybe people who are renting, because it doesn't take up very much space at all, and you can just grow your few salad herbs or salad greens like lettuce and things like that. Alrighty, we'll see you in the next video.